So we're back in Milton Keynes, and yes, the sign is now on. It looks incredible, goes lovely with the urban sign as well. They've been cracking on since last week, so we're gonna head inside and see what is going on. So before we get into the video, guys, statistically, 52% of our viewers don't subscribe to the Yiannimize YouTube channel. And our aim is to hit 2 million by the end of this year. We are so close. Right now, hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and let's get back to the video. Thanks. So just arrived at Urban. We're gonna do a quick update. So obviously you'd have seen last week, they were cutting out the holes. They have now been finished.
This was last week.
This was last week. So Bick and Simon here, and obviously Mr. Russ, Mr. Prep and Lay's here. Simon, let's give them a quick update of what we've decided, because originally the unit was going to finish here.
We changed it. We've gone from having rolls of vinyl on one wall and this, that and the other, but basically what we did, we pulled this back by about 2.5 meters to house the vinyl plotter, the cutter, the PC, and an area where obviously they can put trellises up and wrap components in this area out the way of the 2 cars going on the ramps.
We do believe that it's going to fit 2 cars. Will it fit 2 cars in here?
It could fit 2 little cars.
2 little cars.
Like 2 Defender 90s would be perfect.
Yeah, it's definitely 1.5 cars.
Yeah.
And obviously the ramps. These ramps are going to be cut into the floor. Russ is doing his measuring at the moment. We're going to put them at the front. Initially, I was going to put one at the back, because if you've got a car up in the air with no wheels on, it's a dead space, but we were like, no, let's just put them here. So what we've done is we put the ramps down. We're actually going to drive a couple of cars in as well to see how they look.
You can see it's quite a big space.
It is actually a big space. The main thing for me was to make sure the 2 doors can open either side, so there's plenty of room. As you can see, there's no wall in the middle, which we spoke about.
Yeah, left it open plan. I guess the only thing, if we put the ramp to the back, it does prohibit us from doing any work here that's not on the car. So if they want to put a door onto a trellis and wrap it, you need some space somewhere, don't you?
Yeah, and these guys are moving fast. Like, to be fair, Russ did say 4 weeks, and we're, what are we, week 2?
Week 2.
Week 2, and literally...
Everything's stripped out, all of the walls up, the apertures are in.
Say it again, Russ.
Said I'm doing a good job.
You're doing a good job, are you? See, you're measuring there. When are we cutting into the floor?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, yeah? Okay.
Are we going to have to sheet the doors up for like the dust and everything, the opening?
I'm going to suppress with a mist water dust suppression device.
Oh, the water. You know, they put the water there. I always thought that's so they don't heat up, but it's so they don't heat up, and also so it doesn't cause dust. And you've got to remember, you've got cars everywhere right now. So we're plasterboarding up. It's going to be white. Everything's going to be white in here again, clinical. Floor stays same colour. We're not worried about that. What was that there? Was there a door there?
Yeah.
There was a door there. There was 2 doors there. I don't know.
Was it a short door? Was it someone for small people? No, just the door looks very small. I suppose it's not. Red and black ramps?
Yeah, I think that's as they turned up. We needed to get them quickly. we didn't choose the colour.
I don't even know what are the colours of Yiannimize? I don't even know. Are they yellow?
That's kind of annoying me now. I think we're going to have to paint them all black.
I knew you'd say that.
See, I knew you'd say that.
I literally said about 10 minutes ago, you saw Andy the Sparky, you do realise that Si's going to want to spray. It was accept them like that or wait till December.
Okay, so accept them like that and paint them black.
I don't mind them in red. I ain't going to lie. I don't mind them in red.
What do you think?
Oh, God. No,
I love it getting in the comments.
God.
Do you think these should stay with red ends on them, or should they be black?
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing this. Let's go, Bick. Straight. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, here we go. Keep coming. All right, stop. That'll do ya. Wow, mate, let me say something to you. You can definitely fit in a second car here quite comfortably as well.
How much room do you want at the front? I mean, if you had a metre, you could move that way more. That at the moment, you've still got 1.5 metres probably here.
Yeah, but once the door's shut, once this door's shut and you're down here, you're going to be quite close.
So that's about right then.
Yeah.
You got a tape measure?
I have.
Elle, come with me, Elle, come with me. You can stay this side, keep looking at things. What's the gap between there and there?
600.
600. Yeah, okay. And what's the black between the door? Are we going to have this as well?
Yeah, within reason, it'd be a bit smaller. Then.
Okay, so I'll come off half through this then, if a bit smaller, and just run the black.
It's a metre.
It's a metre.
That's more like it.
So you want to go a metre then, don't you?
From the
From the door?
Door, yeah. It is what it is within reason, give or take. If we do a metre, that really is what it is now.
Yeah, it is exactly where it is. And you would struggle to get another one of these cars behind.
And see what we look at as well, see the doors, this is what I was saying about. Plenty of room. These lot are measuring, I'm opening doors.
Yeah, I mean, you would get another one in, Jan, but you would literally be up against the wall.
Yeah, but that's only if it's up on the ramp. So let's be straight, yeah? Theoretically, that could still come forward a metre or even half a metre and you'd still have a gap.
Yeah, if you had a smaller car.
But that's if you're not putting anything on that wall. So are we saying that's an agreement, that's where that ramp's going?
I'm happy, as long as it's straight, because it's a bit drunk at the moment. No. You happy with that, Si? I'm happy with that. Bick?
Yeah.
Yeah, happy with that?
Yeah, it's nice.
And obviously the same on this side. Do you know what's weird is, I knew it was big, pause, but there's a lot of space in here, isn't there? There's a lot of space in with that there as well now. And with that bay over there, this to me is the old Yiannimize unit. This is the old Yiannimize unit. Where you look at the 3 bays, there's 1, 2, 3, and the back. So this
and you squeezed one in the back corner, didn't you?
Exactly. Yeah, so where you think back in the day where people are like, oh, it's going to be really small, this and the other. It's the old Yiannimize. So the original Yiannimize unit is what I've got here, which when you look at it, considering I just wanted something in the corner, Simon just always pulls me off on this, I thought I'd say it first. I said, considering I just wanted something in the corner, a little one in the corner.
You've got it smack bang in the middle of the unit.
We got it nice. We got it nice.
Yeah, what I meant to tell you, mate, is we can't afford the rent in here, so I'm trying to give more and more and more and more to this, yeah.
Wait, all the stuff we're seeing online, you can't afford the rent. I've gone bankrupt. Urban have now taken over Yiannimize and I actually don't own it. I've now retired. Listen, there's loads. And they're all right. No, joking. Let's get the Range Rover back out. Let's allow your people to start making noise again. And you've got 2 weeks. Let's crack on. Now you've got 3 weeks because you've got all of this week and you've got 2 weeks next week.
I didn't actually say it was going to be a month. I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
You did, you said 4 weeks. Don't make me have to go back and, you know what? Run that again, please. How long do you think this will take you to turn it around?
I'm hoping 4 weeks. I'm hoping 4 weeks.
How are we digging? Where's the digger? Oh, so what have I got on this one? I was like, what have I got on that one? So we're digging a hole in the floor.
When I go?
I don't mind.
I'm going. We should put on that.
Huh?
We should put on that.
And then what?
Do it. What happens?
Right, ready? That was loud, isn't it? And that's how you dig a hole. Probably not, but I've done my bit. I'll let the experts continue. So I'm back at Urban today because we're setting up for the wrap job. We've got cards ready for the contestants. We're going to be doing an all-dayer tomorrow, but let's have a look at what is happening in here. As you can see, they've drilled the holes now. This side obviously still wet. Can you imagine? Don't do that. This one's, can I step on this? Hey. Okay, yeah, you're good. Plasterboard's up. Very good plastering, young men. So yeah, we're getting there, looking great. The team are cracking on, but it looks like Russ is bang on his schedule. This is the end of week 2. There's still 2 more weeks to go. Guys, are we still good? 2 more weeks to go?
Ask Russell.
2 more weeks to go? Look at them. He's got them very well trained. But yeah, everything seems to be looking great so far. We're gonna prepare for the wrap job, but we'll see you on the next one. See you later.